Hi guys! In this video you will learn how to reach board 42 in Monopoly Go. Well, familiarize yourself with how dice rolls, cards effects, and stickers impact gameplay. Prioritize acquiring priorities and stickers that boost your rent collection. Aim to collect stickers that increase your dice roll multiplier to earn more coin per turn. Balance between collecting different properties colors and focusing on completing sets for bonuses. Use coins strategically for buying properties, stickers, or rolling the dice again. Aim to complete property sets to unlock rent bonuses and move forward faster. Focus on acquiring properties with higher rent values to maximize income. Upgrade your dice multiplier sticker to increase the coins earned from each dice roll. Use boosters strategically to enhance your dice roll outcomes or income generation. Take advantage of stickers or cards that offer additional dice roll without spending coins. Engage in trading to acquire properties or stickers that complement your strategy. Approach trades with fairness to build positive relationship with other players. Prioritize trading for properties or stickers that help you complete sets or increase income. Stay aware of other players' positions and strategies to adjust your own accordingly. Make calculated decisions to minimize risks that could deplete your coins or slow progress. Engage in game events, contests, or community challenges to earn additional rewards. Form alliance or team to collaborate with other players and achieve mutual goals. Exchange tips and strategies with other players to improve gameplay efficiently. Keep up with game updates and events to take advantage of new features or opportunities. Plan your moves efficiently to make the most out of each turn and maximize progress. And prioritize completing daily goals for extra rewards that boost your progress. And that's how to reach board 42 in Monopoly Go. If you like this video, please click the like and subscribe and ring the bell icon to notify you to our next video. Thank you for watching!